How to set a if size in PowerPoint. What you will do is you will go in your search bar and search for your PowerPoint. And after that, you will simply open your PowerPoint app, and then you will click on the blank presentation option. And after that, I will simply extend it. Here it is smaller. I will extend it. And then what we will do is we will click on the option of our design here, and after clicking on our design, we will be able to see an option of slide size. We will simply click on the slide size option. And then after clicking on it, we will see customize slide size. So what we can do is we will customize it into, we'll click on the wide screen option there, and we will click on the option where like A4 size paper, and then make sure like everything is okay, like portrait and landscape, and you can simply click on OK, and then you will be seeing an option of your scaling to a new slide size. Would you like to maximize the size of your content or scale it down to ensure it will fit the new slide or not? Then click on the ensure fit, and we will click on OK, and then that is where we will be able to see that how we set a size in our PowerPoint.